Hi guys, welcome to our video. Today we're going for a quick visit to the Kailasam Temple in Port Louis. The Kailasam Temple stands as a remarkable testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Tamil community on the island. Established in 1854 on land generously ceded by Emile de Boucherville to the Madras Hindu of Mauritius, this temple is the oldest in Mauritius. Constructed in the Dravidian architectural style, the temple has an imposing pyramid-like tower known as the Gopuram, which can be seen from a distance. This architectural marvel adheres meticulously to Hindu and Dravidian norms, with its layout resembling the human body, complete with 6 stations symbolizing various organs. The belief that the human body is a sacred temple is underscored by the presence of lotus flower-shaped structures representing the head. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, known as the Destroyer, and holds significant importance for the Tamil community in Mauritius. Additionally, it serves as the primary venue for the Kavadi festival, making it a focal point for the Indo-Mauritian population.
So every time we visit any temple, we have to take off our shoes.
Yeah.
This temple is located in Sainte Croix, almost hidden among other buildings and freeways. It is very colorful and in excellent condition. It is worth a visit if you're coming to Mauritius.
Et on a fait du coup online.
Oui,
Je vous donne order number.
oui. Quelle est la réservation que vous avez faite?
Et je ferai visite du château et tasting.
These are fruits.
Jalebi. Can I try one?
Hmm?
Just one.
Ouais. Casse-moi.
Ah, la fille! Sour.
Yeah. Hmm. Namangi.
Welcome to le domaine de Labourdonnais. Originally part of a concession granted in 1774, the estate has a storied past shaped by pioneering families and visionaries. In 1856, Christine Way, a prominent figure in Mauritian society, began the construction of this grand neoclassical chateau. Completed in 1859, this remarkable estate has become a symbol of refined living cherished by generations. In 2006, a dedicated restoration team led by architect Jacques Rouillet revived the chateau's former glory. Employing traditional techniques and collaborating with local artisans, the team restored the estate to its original splendor. Today, the chateau stands as a living testament to Mauritian craftsmanship, history, and horticulture. The guided tours immerse visitors in the 19th century Mauritian art of living, where you can explore the elegant interiors featuring intricate teak woodwork and Victorian furnishings. Begin your journey along the grand entrance alley, past the central vestibule, and admire the beautiful crystal chandelier in the dining room. Upstairs, marvel at the splendid Victorian-style master bedroom and thematic exhibitions showcasing the island's historical evolution, the Weir family legacy, and the estate's rich heritage. The Chateau's landscape gardens offer a tranquil escape, wander through lush greenery, admire the towering trees, and experience the charm of nature surrounding this historic estate. From the upper veranda, enjoy breathtaking views of the gardens and the site of the original sugar mill. Complementing your visit, the chateau also features exhibitions dedicated to the history of Mauritius and the estate. A particular highlight is the collection of Paul et Virginie, a literary masterpiece celebrated worldwide. The Château de Labourdonnais is open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. except for public holidays. Visitors can explore the chateau, enjoy tasting of their locally produced rums and juices, relax in the gardens, and discover their little farm.
Je pense.
They also have a restaurant. It's a contemporary fine dining restaurant in the heart of Château de Labourdonnais and welcomes you to a wooded and modern atmosphere. The restaurant overlooks expansive lawns and beautiful trees, complementing the overall lunch or dining experience.
Ok, merci.
On fait notre chaise ici même.
Hmm?
On fait notre chaise ici même, pas vrai?
Oui.
Oui, pour compte à ranger celui-là, c'est que on a petit poney. Ok. D'accord, on a calamandin et calamandin, c'est comme une petite orange, petit comme petit pois. Il y a café vanille, épices, et puis c'est la cannelle, gingembre et vanille. Alors, vraiment, c'est 50 personnes. 50 et 2 jours. Ok.
Ok. Ok.
Est-ce que vous voulez goûter un peu de tout?
Oui,
Oui.
s'il vous plaît.
Alors, je peux vous donner ces 5-là et les 5.
Oui, oui,
Bien
ok.
sûr.
Oui.
Super, merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Guys, if you have tasting included in your ticket, so you have the choice of 5 different rum and 5 different liquor per person.
She suggests us to take 5 rum and 5 liquor.
So that we can taste everything.
Yeah. And plus 2 juice.
2 juices, yeah.
So 2 juices per person.
I'm not sure. I don't know, but I know there's some fruit. You know the sweet, the
Yeah,
sweet
gummies.
one. Gummies, yeah. So we see which comes.
Bon, ça vous aide, préfère.
Alors, je vais poser sur la brochure, comme ça c'est
Ah,
fait.
ok.
D'accord.
D'accord. Deux jambes. Merci.
Super, merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Very smart.
Yeah.
She put all the rum on the picture there so we know what it is. So we have the original one, the gold one, the spice rum. Yep. This one is the fruity one.
Yeah.
Alright. Which one you want to try first?
But
Hey, by
maybe.
the way, she gave us 6.
Huh?
We were supposed to get 5 and 5.
Yeah, because here there's only 4 or 5.
Yeah, she gave
Oh,
us one
yeah.
more. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one then.
Maybe she missed 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Which one is that? Karokan? The white one. Did you like it? Strong, right?
Yeah. We'll see.
It's strong. It's 40% of alcohol.
And guys, I'm driving, so I can't drink it up.
So I'm gonna finish all, right?
Yeah. And then
And
you
then
will
I'll be
sleep in the car.
drunk.
Just get one of those.
Yeah. But you know, I prefer the liqueur.
Yeah.
It's like more taste in it. And you can feel more flavors. Like this one, just
Avec de vanilla liqueur.
nice.
But still the spice one.
You prefer the spice one?
After each one we take. Drink a little bit of juice.
Just to digest it.
Allora, pizza. No, devo prima la prendo.
We paid around 700 rupees per person, including the visit of the chateau and the garden, animal park, and the tasting of juice, fruit, jellies, and rum. You can expect about 2 hours for the visit.
Voilà, kita yang
Thank you for watching, guys. We hope that you like our video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Stay tuned. Bye.
Getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.